In this video, I'll show you how to switch accounts on YouTube. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open the YouTube app on your phone and then you're gonna tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Once you're here under your name, you will see the option to switch account. And this will show you a list of all the accounts associated with YouTube on your phone. Then you're gonna select the account that you wish to switch on. And now, as you can see, you will be signed in into the other account. If you don't see the account from the list, you can also add it by scrolling down and selecting Add Account. Here, you will be prompted to log in to Google and you can put your email or your phone number to log in. After you do that, you will see the account listed under Accounts on your phone. Hope that helps.